how to set auto update app on Play Store. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set auto update app on Play Store. First go to Play Store and then click on your profile here and then click settings and now click this one, network preferences, and then just you need to click this one. And as you can now set to auto update apps to anything you want, like over Wi-Fi only or over any network like data or something, or you can just click this one, don't auto update apps. And that's how change auto update apps on Play Store. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.